this last segment was entitled Myths. And on the pejorative, I assume it meant to have a pejorative sense, a popular idea that isn't true or something believed to be true that isn't. Has there maybe been another myth? Would you describe it if we could not fund these, put the money into the operating budget and we'd save money for the state? Aren't we going to have to pay these anyway? I mean, if I look at the credit card balance, it might say $2,000, but I can only pay $82.50. I still owe the money, don't I? And isn't there bigger consequences? Does that maybe? We had a big part of our session, Commissioner, was that we could avoid paying these and fund education and fund employee increases, and that was and there was close work with your tax director in the Democratic minority, and maybe perpetuating that myth. And I'll use that pejorative. Would you maybe describe, what these tax credits could we have delayed them or ignored them, and what have been would it maybe be a myth that was really a budget reduction, a myth? Using your department's words? Well,
let me dispel one myth first, and that was that my director was working closely with the minority in perpetuating that. He was asked for an analysis, which, as we do with all legislators, we try and accommodate that with the best information that we can provide. How it gets used that was not the director of tax doing that. As far as could we avoid paying those, the answer is absolutely not. Those credits have been earned under the current regime, and they will either be paid as a direct reimbursable credit or as a credit that would be taken against tax liability, sold to another company and taken against tax liability, but we could not have avoided those payments.
So that would be another myth then?
We could call that another myth.
Thank you.